Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD, and of course the DXY. And quickly this week is holidays and actually the last weekly outlook for 2023. I'm excited to make this video, although for the week I'm not really anticipating a lot of volatility. We might get a lot of ranges throughout this week, and we will resume trading officially from next week, that is in January. Okay, basically for the week I still anticipate maybe a little bit of pullback here to the DXY, and then DXY is actually bearish. You've seen lower highs, and basically what I'm anticipating is maybe just a pullback a little bit to this region, so 102, and then we can continue since we've made a new low here below 101.50 region. So we could just retest this region one more time and start going to the downside. Okay, that being said, anything if we see price going forward breaks above this downward trend line, then we may actually start seeing maybe like a bullish structure that is above 102.65. okay, that being said, on USDCAD I'm seeing something similar. We might just get a pullback to this region of 133.6875, and we could just reject that region and continue to the downside. Ultimately we might see price come all the way to 131 going forward, and that's that for USDCAD. okay, all right, anything above the downward trend line here we might start seeing a upward structure, but for now I'm still bearish on USDCAD. Pound USD I'm still bullish. We've seen that rejection. Price held off 126.15, 126.20 region last week, so my anticipation is a continuous up movement, and that goes to say I'm looking out for price to break above this region and continue to the upside to retest to 128 regions and make new highs above that way. And for any reason, if price comes back to break 126, breaks the upward trend line, we're looking for price to break and retest, and then target 125 region one more time. And that being said, I didn't draw a line for USDCAD. I'm looking out for pullback to this regions here, and then we could get a continuation to this region, a possible break, retest, and then a continuation. But we might just range throughout these regions this week because yes, holidays, you know that. All right, and then back to gold. I'm anticipating we've seen price breaking above structure one more time, so clearly we might still be very bullish on gold. So I'm looking out for a continuation, retest of 2075 and probably up. And if anything happens and price breaks below this region one more time, we'll start creating lower lows and lower highs. Price breaks through this upward trend line, then I'm looking out for a continuation to the downside to 1980. That's that for gold. Okay, so we have gold, we have pound USD, we have USDCAD, and of course before Euro USD, let me just draw the line here. Like anticipated, I said we might just get a pullback to these regions here, and then we'll have a continuation to the downside. But if price comes back to break above this region here, then we might break above and start creating an up structure. Okay, so that's that for that. And lastly, the bonus Euro USD, similar to pound USD, I'm anticipating a upward movement. Price is already there, so maybe like a continuation to the upside. But if price breaks back below and we start seeing rejections there forming like a head and shoulder pattern, then we might start seeing price continue to the downside that way. All right, that's that. My favorite pound USD might just be looking awesome for buys. All right, market won't open on Monday, but it surely might be on Tuesday. But market will start seeing a little bit of volatility Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then the next we'll see there in January. Okay, that for that, a lot of things might change in terms of how I do the outlook for next year, but regardless, it was a wonderful year. And for those who consistently watched, basically I think one person or two, thank you. Yeah, and we'll grow together, and I'll see you guys in 2024. Ciao.